Hello everybody, we want to talk about 5G campus networks again. We are
Wilke from Ericsson.
Antje Williams, Deutsche Telekom. We talked the last time a little bit about fundamentals, how frequency auctions work. This time we would like to talk about technology. And Joe, could you please explain what is a campus network and what is the edge component on a campus network?
I can at least try, and with this beautiful picture that you made before, we can try to do that. So 5G brings a technology that is called network slicing. Network slicing means that in parallel you can run, for example, a private slice of a network and the public network in addition to that. And the speciality with that is that the services of the public network can be executed in the central core network, whereas the services of the private network can be executed on a smaller version of that core network, which is dedicated to the campus owner. And that means that we have the ability to implement use cases and services on the campus that, for example, require ultra-low latency, require great device densities, and many other use cases that the industry is demanding. So, and those technologies we have used to build up the campus network architecture, meaning we can serve private use cases in the private slice, and we can serve other use cases in the public slice.
And what happens now if you produce something on your private slice and then this something want to leave and go in the public network and needs connectivity?
Mm-hmm. So I would say that is actually the beauty of the dual slice campus network, that this thing that would, for example, be produced on the campus remains connected when it leaves the campus and goes to the public slice of the network. This is exactly what 5G technology brings, and is a great advantage for many use cases that have exactly this characteristic, where you start off campus and do something on the campus, or where you start on the campus and things are leaving it again.
And I think there's something else what 5G brings is the variety of use cases that you can fulfill. So coming to the network, you often have different requirements. Sometimes you want to collect data, for instance. Data in a small amount, but you don't want to build up so many antennas. Therefore, you need then a frequency, which is where we operate our networks, that has it's a rather low frequency, 800 for instance, where you have a great coverage and little data to transport. Another frequency, which is much higher, has a much better bandwidth, can transport a lot of data, but on a rather small area. For instance, the typical 5G frequency, 3 point something, or even higher frequencies. And all these frequencies we are able to use to fulfill the requirements of the customer.
Right, I think that's another great aspect of 5G, that we basically have a great toolbox that we can use in our partnership to serve the industry customers the best way and make it easy for them to realize the use cases that they are demanding.
Perfect. Mm-hmm. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Thank you.